welcome to Gulu Come Here. In case you are new here, this is Gulu. Today I'm going to show you how to trim a toy poodle's face using scissors. I have a separate video on how I give Gulu a shower, and you can find that in the description below. After shower and dry with a towel, I'm using a blow dryer on the low heat with a hairbrush. And over here, I'm just using a regular brush here. I found it does the same result as the head brush. I'm using half combing through and half rolling. Whenever there's more tangled area, I don't just apply force to brush it through. You can simply using rolling motion and it will come through without hurting the dog. Focus on the body part on the both sides first. This may seem like a long process, but it's actually a lot faster drying with a brush. It shortens at least half of the drying time. When the hair is about semi-dry, I will brush the face first without the dryer to set the hair before it's dry completely. After combing, I will dry it with the hair dryer completely. This drying method makes the hair more puffy and soft. One technique to hold them when you are trimming their hair is by holding their chin hair so that they will not move around while you are cutting their hair. I start off by trimming the hair that seems to block his sides and shorten the overall hair near the eye area evenly. Keep the nose and the mouth part oval shape so that it has a teddy bear effect. This is my first time cutting in front of the camera. I'm a little bit nervous. Please excuse my shaking hand. One of the important tips is that don't cut the nose bridge hair all the way. It is a lot cuter when you don't cut too short there. For the face and the chin, just keep it oval shape. Then we are all done. This is how I trim Gulu's hair at home. Not only it worked out cheaper to take this approach, but it's also much easier than you probably think. I also just created a TikTok account, so you can follow me on there too. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe, and stay safe everyone. See you next time.